Take care of yourself. Not for anyone else. Just for yourself. Because the harsh truth is, if something happens to you, life will move on. Even the people who say they can't live without you will live. Even those who depended on you will find another way. Your job will replace you. Your friends will post RIP and then go back to scrolling. Your family will cry, but life won't stop for them either. So don't lose yourself trying to be everything to everyone. The world keeps spinning, with or without you. Stop overworking while ignoring your health. Stop stressing over people who won't even check on you when you're silent. Eat well. Rest well. Protect your peace. Say no when you're tired. Disconnect when it gets too heavy. Because at the end of the day, no one can care for you better than you. Take care of yourself, because don't forget, you matter too.